Representative Steele has done as much, if not more, for senior citizens and children in this state as any other person here at the Capitol, and I thank him for his leadership.
House Bill 2030 statutorily sets into place what is referred to as the Silver Alert, which is a system that can be utilized between different levels of law enforcement entities to help locate a senior adult who goes missing, or a person with Alzheimer's or dementia that goes missing that may be a danger to themselves or to others. The Silver Alert is a notification that alerts law enforcement at the local level, at the state level, and even the regional level, national level, that a person has gone missing and some important information about that person so that all the entities can work together to try to locate that missing individual. It's very similar to the Amber Alert, except it applies to a different population of people. Where the Amber Alert applies to children, the Silver Alert applies to senior adults and those with dementia. Well, it does several things. When a senior adult goes missing, say a person wanders away from a nursing home, we need to find that person as fast as we can, because senior adults a senior adult who might be living in a nursing home would be what we would consider in a more vulnerable state health-wise and may not be able to survive on his or her own for very long. And so this allows us to find those individuals as soon as possible. And then again, for a person who may be younger than, say, age 65 that has dementia or Alzheimer's that may go missing, and say that person is driving, for instance, has the capacity to drive but suffers from the condition that we just mentioned, that person may be a danger to themselves or even to others. And so this would allow local law enforcement or law enforcement agencies to work together to identify where that person might be and get that person to a safe place as quickly as possible. One of the things that we've done with 2030 is we required that when the Silver Alert is activated, that the missing person's information would be put into the national database for missing persons, so that if a person were to wander beyond state lines, they would have the opportunity to work with law enforcement entities in other states to help locate the person as well.